Why does a phantom run count when a baseball batter is out? Imagine a play where a runner crosses home plate, scoring a run, but then the batter is called out on the same play. It might seem confusing, but there's a clear reason behind this. In baseball, a phantom run is a run that counts even if the batter is out during the play. This happens because runs are scored based on when the runner crosses home plate, not just the batter's outcome. If a runner gets home before the third out is made, that run counts. This is true even if the batter is later called out on the same play. The key is understanding how runs are credited. Runs are recorded when a runner legally touches home plate before the third out occurs. If the out is a force out or a tag out that ends the inning, the run does not count. But if the runner scores before the out and the out is not a force out, that run is considered a legitimate score. This is why a phantom run can happen during plays like sacrifice flies or ground outs. The runner crosses home before the third out, so the run is added to the team's total, and the batter gets credit for scoring that run, even if he is out later. This rule keeps batting statistics fair and consistent. Runs scored are a measure of a player's offensive contribution. They reflected how often a player helps the team put runs on the board, regardless of the final outcome of their own at-bat. So, even if the batter is out, the run that crossed home plate earlier still counts. It's an important part of traditional batting stats like runs scored, which help compare players across different eras. In practical terms, this means that when a runner scores before the third out, that run is added to the team's score and credited to the player who was on base at the time. For example, if a batter hits a sacrifice fly and the runner tags up and scores before the third out, that run is counted. The batter gets credit for the run scored if he was on base and crossed home before the out. This rule ensures that runs scored truly reflected the scoring event, not just the batter's final play. So, the reason a phantom run counts when a batter is out is because baseball rules prioritize the timing of runs crossing home plate. Runs are a foundational batting metric, showing how often players help their team score. This system makes sure that every scoring event is counted fairly, even if the batter ends up being out on the same play. It keeps the game's statistics accurate and consistent, allowing fans and analysts to understand a player's true offensive impact.